With the Sysmac automation platform, OMRON ensures flexible and optimized manufacturing processes. Sysmac is an integrated and scalable automation platform providing fast real-time machine control and plant data management. The NJ1 and NX7 controller series expand the Sysmac platform to new levels. NJ1, more than just a PLC. Built-in USB port for programming. The SD card slot allows system backup and restore, and FTP client and server. Sysmac machine controllers offer a built-in Ethernet port for factory automation and an EtherCAT port for real-time machine control. NJ3 Automation in Motion. NJ5 Extreme Automation. NX7 Beyond an Automation Controller. This controller has two built-in gigabit Ethernet ports for factory network segregation. The NX7 is powered by a quad-core i7 processor and provides two motion tasks running in parallel at different cycle times. Sysmac offers a scalable controller solution to meet your application requirements. With Sysmac Studio, you will benefit from a single integrated development environment for the entire platform. This easy and intuitive software tool offers an intelligent editor, online project compare and merge, plus real-time 2D and 3D data traces. Sysmac Studio Programming. Data types and task configuration fully conform with IEC Global Standard. An optional set of application libraries help to optimize your engineering time. Integrated time-based function blocks for robotics simplify programming. Sysmac communicates in real time with databases ensuring big data processing. With Sysmac, you simplify architecture, reduce programming, and optimize productivity. OMRON, realizing your manufacturing challenges.